I'm Matthew Buzzy, this is Chris Stobing, and we've got an interesting combo for you today of Super Smash Bros. Ultimate on Nintendo Switch, which everybody knows and loves, and something a little newer, which is the Respawn Not Energy Drink Mental Enhancement Drink from Razer. This was made as an April Fool's joke in 2010, and they decided to make it a real product now. And we're gonna play Smash Bros. Along the side and kind of see how we do, see if it helps me elevate my game. Hopefully our native skill levels are kind of equal enough that see if we can give us an edge, see if we feel any effects, see if we feel nothing. But yeah, Chris is going to be the control.
Oh, something to note here, do not exceed 3 servings per day.
Oh,
yeah.
That's actually, you know what? I'm glad you read that.
Because you've got quite a few servings
just,
right in front of you.
crush these. It's not. Yeah. Taste, like if you have Splendor or something, it tastes a little like that. I'll try the other flavors here in a second. I'm done wiping the floor with Meta Knight. What are those lollipops called? They have the gum inside. Blow pop. Yeah,
Oh,
thank you.
yeah,
I think
no,
of the
that's-
word blow
yeah,
pop.
it's
This
not one of
tastes
those.
this tastes like the green. This is the only one I had before. This tastes like the green apple version of that, which is the flavor. So
Okay.
I feel a little more energized than I would if I was drinking coffee. I haven't tried the.
You're really enhanced, man. You're just.
I'm so enhanced.
Yeah.
This looks really strong, and it is. I was gonna say it's not. Like swallowed it. To tell you,
There would be. Oh God. Good thing this isn't, going on the internet or anything.
yeah, no, that would be terrible for you. So I will say, I feel because coffee's not something that makes. I'm not one of the people who get like jittery from having coffee. Or in comparison, I do feel with it. I do feel alert for whatever that's worth. I mean, I'm drinking a ton of. I say chemicals. That sounds bad, but I mean.
Yeah, no,
I mean that was what I was saying.
It is. It is chemicals. Yeah, I mean, you're working with chemicals. You're working with, nothing about this drink is necessarily natural.
I shouldn't feel surprised that I feel kind of energized when I'm drinking a bunch of chemicals, but I do. So
Very.
you're getting handled.
I am really getting handled. This is not good for me. This is not good for my public image right now.
I do feel myself getting a little overwired. My hands are. I don't think they'd be the most stable if I like took them, tried to hold them out straight for you right now.
Okay. Well, it's
No, it's actually rock steady.
this is a gaming enhancement drink. So
I must feel mentally wired instead.
yeah.
But
Well,
I'm actually fine. So yeah, as I'm nearing the end of my drink here, I do feel fairly alert. I also don't mind the taste. As much as like taking a sip isn't necessarily my thing, I keep reaching for it. I don't hate it. You hate to see that. You hate to see that.
of course, walk straight in.
Does what it says it does, I think, I would say, which is kind of an accomplishment. I would, at least personally, would greet these things with a degree of skepticism, but I feel more alert. I feel on the edge of becoming like too wired, but I'm not. And I've drank the whole thing at this point almost, so it has seemingly improved my Smash Bros. Gameplay. You could say it was entirely the Respawn if you'd like.
I would like to say that.
I don't want to be
actually,
the one. I don't want to be the one to list off the score here, but nice.
Oh, he's up by it's not even close. I think it's like 15 to 1.
Chris, thank you so much for
Being cannon fodder.
I don't want to say it. I don't want to look. I mean, I don't want to be the guy.
Wait, what is that?
Yeah.